Now we are going to talk about how to change the selection color and the background color in ArcGIS Pro 3. For that, we need to load some shape file here, but before that, we need to create a new map. Okay, just click here, new map, and the new map created. And then we can insert, for example, this layer here and release. Okay, there, but we cannot directly change the background color in ArcGIS Pro here in the map, but we can change the selection here like this. Wow, this is, I just changed it to red. Okay, now we will change it to its original selection, which is blue in here, and click selection and click here. I have recorded the RGB for the default color, so it is red for 0, 255 for green, and 255 for blue. And there, let's go back, and now the selection color is returned to its original color, which is blue. Okay, what about the background? So the background is not default, can be changed in the map or in data view, but in the layout. So we need to click new layout, and we change, maybe for example, the A4. Okay, now we must insert the map first, and there. Okay, now we right click here and click properties, which pop up the element here, the map element like this. So we will search for this background, click this first, and color will be something like this, I think. Okay, it's cool. So this is provinces, some provinces in Sumatra Island, Indonesia, which are Aceh, West Aceh Province, West Sumatra Province, and North Sumatra Province. So I will distinct this first. I will distinct this first by click symbology and unique values for field. We change to province, and there, so we can see three differences colors here, which is, this is Aceh, this is North Sumatra, and this is West Sumatra, three provinces. Okay, now we are going back to layout here and there. So if we assume this blue background is the ocean or the sea, so this is wrong, because beside these three provinces, there are some provinces more in Sumatra Island, like Riau, Palembang, like Riau, South Sumatra, Bengkulu, Jambi, etc. So we cannot assume this blue background as the ocean, unless except we add a new layer called provinces in Sumatra. So this included all the provinces in Sumatra Island, Indonesia. So let's go back to map here and drag the province in Sumatra here. Okay, there. Let's go back to layout, and now this is right. But let's zoom to Zoom to layer first in province Sumatra, and there. Now, if we use the provinces in Sumatra check like this, so our assumption that is this blue color in the background is ocean or sea is correct. But if we uncheck this province, so this assumption is wrong. Okay, I think you can understand that, and thank you.